Good morning from just outside Reno. Found another great camping spot. As you can see, right at the base of some red rocks. And it's perfectly cozy and quiet in here. So I'm just gonna make my way into Reno, and I'm picking Jeff up later tonight. So I'll get myself settled into the hotel this afternoon. And then tomorrow the adventure with Jeff begins, and we'll make our way to Tahoe. All right, let's hit the road. Welcome to Nevada. Right on, easy check-in. Now let's go check out our 28th floor room. Room with a view. Some casinos have an exciting feel to it. This one just has a sad and depressing feel. $100 US to stay here, and we're going to be on the 28th floor, one below the penthouse. Well, that's not too bad at all. For $100, split in half. A view of everything. Okay, get myself a bit organized, go for a workout, maybe a swim, and then maybe grab something to eat this afternoon. All right, it's 10 p.m., well past my bedtime, and I'm on my way over to the airport to pick up Jeff. All right, just pulled up to the airport and I'm in the waiting area. Jeff's off the plane and on his way to get his bags. Hopefully that will go pretty quick and you'll get to meet him in a few minutes. Hey! Hey! Good, man. Good to see you, dude. Cool. There's Jeff, say hi.
Hey guys.
Yeah, he's loving my camper.
What a long day. You worried this thing's gonna fly off in the storm?
Yeah.
Storm? There's like 100-kilometer-an-hour winds or 100-mile-an-hour winds, they said.
Like I said, I'll be with this thing as long as it survives. It's 11 at night and we're going to In-N-Out Burger because we're both hungry and there's nothing else in the area. So
then we're gonna try animal style maybe?
I don't think I've actually ever been to an In-N-Out Burger. I've tried a lot of the different ones, but not this one. There it is, In-N-Out Burger animal style.
This is like heart attack city.
It's really good for my high cholesterol.
Oh my god.
That's all right. Once in a blue moon to have it, why not? All right, In-N-Out Burger done. I think the next stop is the Can. We're gonna head back to the hotel, get ourselves organized, and then get to bed because we're both exhausted.
That sounds like a plan to me.